In this video, I'll show you how to bring back the online store into your sales channels list in the Shopify admin menu when it's missing. As you can see in this example, the sales channel section of my dashboard is completely empty. It's missing the online store, point of sale, or any other sales channels. And this usually happens if you accidentally unpin the sales channels from the admin menu. So in order to add them back, the steps are as follows. Click on Settings, and then select App and Sales Channels. Now locate Online Store, click on it. Once the app page loads, click on the Open Sales Channel, and then top right corner, click on the three dots. Make sure to select this option, Pin to your navigation. Now let me click on Home Page, and as you can see, the online store is now properly displayed in the Sales Channels list. And of course, if you want to add another app, the steps are exactly the same. Once again, click on Settings, then click on Apps and Sales Channels. Let's add the point of sale app. Let's click on it. Then select Open Sales Channel. Then once again, click on three dots and select Pin to your navigation. Let's go to Home Page, and there it is. Here's the point of sale channel. So as usual, I hope you found this short video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.